What mess with my presentation?
No, don't touch my side of my food. Just worry about your side.
Watch me do my presentation.
Worry about your side of food and stop touching my side of food, yo. Every time you do that shit.
Whatever. Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are having fried seafood? Not really.
Fry whatever.
Yeah, fry whatever. We have some fried catfish, some fried shrimp, some fries, and underneath here we have some white bread, almost like when we go to Hooks or Captain D's. Now listen, I'm not in the reggae and the lang, because we want chat.
You want to chat?
Yes.
What do you want to chat about?
I want to talk about the stuff that you be doing. I'm going to tell the family.
Yo, listen, when you doing your food, worry about your side of food and stop worrying about my side of food, okay? My side of food is my side of food. Don't worry about what I do with my side. That's what
I'm going to tell you, family. I'm going to get right into it. You know, Richie's job is to answer emails. And go to comments because I can't do everything. And me tell you, so the man not even look upon email address. And me have to answer email and me have to answer comments. We can't do everything, my youth.
Watch this. Family, sometimes when I answer to the family, they don't reply back to me and say anything. So they want you to do it. But family,
right.
I'm Hollywood right now. You feel me? That's my job though, family. But when I do it, you gotta reply back to me. So now when you see Richie, the greedy couple, you gotta reply back to my emails. My thing when I hit your back up, okay, family?
Whatever.
Because first you're gonna fire me.
I am gonna follow you. I have Captain D tartar sauce.
Oh, family. This is the catfish. At first they said she's craving it, so.
I've been craving. No, I'm not prego. Okay, I've just been craving it.
Don't do that.
I've just been craving it.
Don't do that. And we got.
This is Tabasco.
Here, you take a bite of the beautiful shrimp first. It's so beautiful right there. That's piece right there. I'm gonna dip it in my thing first. Good. I like it too.
This tastes like what my dad would say. It tastes like it come from yard.
Let me see my tartar sauce, please.
Really?
Watch me. See? I do my thing. One drop. One drop everything. One drop is mine. Oh, put it back on here. Pretty nice. Family, there's a place in Florida. It's called Hooks. I don't know. I don't think they have it nowhere else. It's in Miami too. Yeah, it's in Florida, but that's not everywhere. It's like one of them corner shops. I sell fish and chips. First time I told first day about that, man. Oh my god.
That was a long time ago too.
Here, take a piece of your whiteness here. Yeah. You know? Told first day about it.
Yeah. We ate Hooks on the channel before.
We did, right? She fell in love. So every time she see a hook sign now, she thinks it's a hook. You know what I mean? Family, she said to me, Richie, there's a hook coming here. I said, the hooks? So I'm driving around looking for the hooks.
Really, Richie?
Family, yes, I'm snitching. So you want to come snitch? Family, I'm driving around looking for a hook sign. It's a construction site that's called Hooks. They the one that making the building them. First they say Hooks come, I'm tearing down the place looking for Hooks. Yeah, man.
It's true. Boy, oh boy. I have to watch myself, man.
Tell them, man, you tell me. No.
I gotta watch myself because Richie, he can tell
I like
me.
this. Yeah. Wow.
Listen, I went to Walmart the other day. This is where I got this from. Okay, the catfish. But Richie and I are gonna go catch our own catfish because catching catfish is very easy.
Easy. They bite everything.
So I went to the store. I wasn't looking for catfish. I was buying something else, and something said, just check to see if they have catfish. It was the last bag. Now I know why every time I go to Walmart, I never see catfish because as soon as it gets there, they buy it out. I was just lucky to see I've never seen catfish in Walmart.
You see everything else.
Everything else.
Tilapia, everything.
And abundance of tilapia too.
Wow. This tastes good enough?
Tastes good, man.
Give some of the sauce on it. It's so flaky, still it's dropping off. Here. Damn, it's dripping. So good. Come on now. Load. Here we go. Here we go with the sauce.
My sister said she can't eat catfish. And I said, more for me.
And the shrimp is good. Shrimp is good.
Oh, so good.
Wow.
If I get this food and they don't give me white bread, I get mad. I gotta have the white bread.
You get fun bread already? Wow, you can have mine if you want. Yeah, she love the bread. Either we gonna get there, when we get there, family will buy the food, either they short us on tartar sauce or something. But when we go buy the food, family, they give us a lot of French fries. I ain't gonna cap.
Yeah, they give you a lot of French fries. French fries. I'm not a big French fry person.
Yeah, you know me, I tear it up.
But Richie will eat it.
Family, I was eating as I was cooking, so you know, all the French fries probably don't get done, but
yeah,
do my thing.
What happened?
There you go. I mean, yeah. So I was eating.
So what you have there?
What? Catfish.
I don't think they can see it, but what kind of sauce you have there?
Oh, that person over there.
You gonna shut up yourself.
I ain't calling that person name no more.
Your sauce, mix up.
Yeah, you know this person. I'm not calling name no more. I got that person. The same person, ketchup, tartar sauce, and we Gucci.
And Chick-fil-A sauce.
And Chick-fil-A.
Mixed up.
Mixed up in one. But what's the problem with that? It's still going to the same place. No, I'm just saying. It's still going to the same place, right?
There's no problem. How does it taste though?
It tastes good. It tastes like how you mix up your ketchup with the mayonnaise.
Oh, excuse me.
That's how it tastes. It tastes good. Try it.
I want to try that.
This is a catfish.
Touch my catfish, see what happens to you.
From the other day, first
Lately, from the other day, you've been showing off.
The other day, first day, they bodied me up. What is
Yeah?
that?
No, you've been showing off.
You get a value some of your food?
Nope.
Okay.
Nope.
I'm going to get some of your food.
Richie, let me tell you something.
What?
Anyhow you touch my catfish, the family member will go off on you in the comment section. They're gonna say, Richie, imagine you have the big piece of catfish by your side and bare shrimp, and you come take for your catfish?
The shrimp is for me and you.
Yeah, alright.
And the family members.
Whatever.
Right? The family members not even eating none. I guess they don't like fried fish. I mean, this kind of stuff. That's a sandwich. This is good. What should I eat today?
For real?
Don't say you're eating the same thing. No, it's hard to find catfish.
For us.
For us, yeah. Nice, you know? I don't lie, B. Wow.
If I tell you that I wasn't hungry, I'd be lying.
First, I was hungry. And she bust through the door. Said she want to eat. I said, alright. Do I know this was so easy to make? I timed it.
You timed it pretty good too. I didn't have to wait long.
I know. It's 1, 2, 3. Damn, this shit is good. She's not overpowering.
Yeah. I felt like when I first started, I was eating so fast because I was hungry. But No.
No much up, man. Give me a bite.
Dickity! You're not getting none.
Alright, I'll make me a sandwich.
Make your sandwich. You can't manage that.
Who can't manage that?
You.
Okay, you don't say with your bread?
And the fresh and the fries.
How much you want to bet me?
I'm not bet you because I don't want you to stuff yourself.
I'm not gonna tell myself. How much you want to bet me? Family, she said, look, she said I can't eat up this with my sandwich.
Listen, what you guys don't know is that Richie would do it, and later on when his stomach start hurting him, he would blame me. He would say, "Oh, you let me eat this sandwich." Nah, I'm good.
Family, that's nothing. We bought this shrimp for me and you. I already told my mind I eat up all the French fries, but I'm sure you eat up all of this.
Yeah, but French fries. Most of the time, the French fries is here for decorations. I ain't gonna lie, no cap.
Okay.
Can we eat it? We're not like that. Ooh.
But I toast my bread myself. Look at this. Pick up everything on it that you can see. Oh, that was my mix-up sauce.
That was his mix-up sauce that he.
Excuse me. I don't know if I remember. I might not eat up all the French fries. I just started lying.
Yeah, French fries.
I'm still eating my catfish.
Yep. Shit, that catfish is good.
Yeah, man. I know y'all eat the same thing. I know y'all do the same thing. Not with the sauce, but I know. All the catfish lovers that. Calm it down. Let me see that. Not everybody like that. Everybody like
What?
It's not everybody like catfish. What? You didn't hear what I said? Oh.
Yeah, when you get excited about eating food, yo, you eat it like that's how you eat. Wow, you eat your sandwich like a real greedy person.
I eat it the way I like it, right, family?
You eat like a greedy person.
I eat it the way I like it. Family said,
Look at that too.
eat my portion the way I want to eat. That's what they always tell me.
Oh, please.
Good, right? See? Okay, old. You have bread up on my
Bread?
Yeah, I'm greedy.
Oh, excuse me.
You eating the shrimp today?
I did so. Stop watching me. I had about 4 of them.
I didn't see pick up one shrimp.
Cause you can't manage it. That's why.
Who? Watch me. Family, this is what I put in my thing to get me a little fizz. Yeah, I get a little fizz out of that. Then I sweeten it up.
You bought a new one?
Well, I didn't even know the other one was in the fridge. I'm sorry, I opened that one. The second one done.
Oh.
Oh, excuse. Were you full like this and nice enough?
Come back say it tastes better.
Wow.
Stop, Sashi.
How's your week so far, man?
That's our cat.
No.
I mean,
Cat.
that's our dog.
You have cat no my you?
I'm allergic to cats. Okay. Oh gosh.
I might say when you buy a cat.
Meow. Oh.
She want everything. I don't want to eat her food.
She will leave her food and don't touch her food all day. Waiting to see if you give her food.
Yep.
And then when she realized the kitchen is closed, she's like, damn it. I guess I have to go ahead and...
You can have it. I was saying it for you anyway. Is it nice? Stop taking it off. Thank you. I was saying for you. I was waiting like when you gonna take it. I know you like catfish. She loves catfish, family.
I love catfish. I don't know what happened. This is the first time I really had it.
Like instead of buying at store outside?
No, I mean like hooked.
Oh.
That was the first time I tried. No.
Yeah, Hook was the first time he tried it. Remember I told you about it and I said we have to go there, go get it.
That was the first time I tried catfish. No, Red Lion. It's not Hooks. We went to Little Dizzy's. In New Orleans. Yeah, it's my first time in New Orleans.
But listen, New Orleans came after I left the other place.
It did, but remember, I never went to Hooks until recently. No.
Wow.
He used to always tell me about Hooks because he used to go there after work.
Oh yeah.
A little greedy self. But by the time, if he was to buy it and bring it to me, it'd be too soggy.
Tartar sauce. Oh, so Little Dizzy was the first time?
Little Dizzy was the first time I had catfish in New Orleans. And I was like, well, wait a minute now.
I don't know. I thought we drove down there, we would try it. I guess driving down there so much time now, I'm thinking about that. This shrimp, it's cooked just right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shrimp.
I'm full.
The first day to eat none of the thing. Full? One more time. 17. Alright, fam, let me give you a word of wisdom. Then I
know I said I'm hungry.
My food. Alright, family. Listen up and listen up good. You know what I'm saying? This is for all my church going people or even people that don't go to church. You know what I'm saying? But listen, first listen up. Family, when God gives you a new beginning, it starts with an ending. Be thankful for closed doors. They often guide us to the right one. Okay? I'm going to say it again. You know what I'm saying? When God gives you a new beginning, it starts with an ending. Be thankful for closed doors. They often guide us to the right one. Okay?
That's true.
If you believe in that or you feel that, stop them. I'm gonna take my youth. Cause you say you don't want no more, Mike. That's what I can't take it. You say you don't want no more. You still eat my stuff, them.
What are you gonna do about it?
See that, family? She said she don't want no more, right? And
it's
I'm
my
eat my
last
stuff.
one.
Oh, what that, Tom?
What?
Was the battery dying? Is it blinking? That's the battery right there. Right there.
I think it's covering me in the face.
Oh, okay. Family, we appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us, you know. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're new, I am Richie. This is AKA Shanice, AKA First Lady. And they are?
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.
I thought it tastes rich.
That was good as fuck, that food.
I'm weird fuck.
I'm not gonna lie to you.
No, that's that.
I fucked that catfish up.
That batter hitting. I put some more stuff in there, you know.
Yeah? And the shrimp one?
I put in the whole batter and I put some more Everglades and then I shake it up. I put some seasoned salt.
Whatever you did, that shit was good. It wasn't over seasoned.
It wasn't. They said